This is a place I talk about it all the time to all my friends, anybody I can talk to about it. We're on Facebook and all that stuff, and I'm always talking about trying to get them to come out and take a look.
Our goal here at Darley Village is to make it active living, but maintenance free as well. You know, you can kind of spend more time enjoying yourself, having fun. So we have 45 units in here, ranging from 1 beds to 2 beds. Some with kitchens, some with kitchenettes. And then the cottages are duplexes, but they have that availability of having a little bit more privacy and having a little bit more of a house-like feel, I guess I should say. But they also, have the community as well. They can, drive up here or walk up here very quickly, or drive their golf carts up here and enjoy the amenities that we have here without actually leaving the campus, which is, really helpful. We take care of the grounds around those cottages as well, and snow removal in the winter, and it is stress-free living. You don't have to worry about the extras that you have to do. There is somebody that can help you with that. There is a package that you can get to be able to supply those amenities to you, not just around you, but things that we can do for you as well. Darley Village has a chef that is on site. We serve 1 meal a day around noon, and the crew puts together a great 3-course meal on a daily basis.
When we first saw Darley Village, it was about 1.5 years ago. We came out here. None of this was here, but we had a feeling for it. We just did. And then when we finally came out this last time to look, and we saw it and got to go inside the building, see all the beauty, all the top-notch equipment, it's just beautiful. We said, that's it. And we moved in. We signed the papers that day. The amenities that are available not only inside the house, but inside the main building are world-class.
Our main building here is kind of like the hub of everything. So we have the Village Cafe, our fitness center here, a game room and dining room, a music and library lounge type, good meeting areas for the residents to enjoy different activities, as well as, having some place to go. A lot of interest in having entertainment that comes here as well. A big part of what we do here, that's something that happens quite often, is crafts that go on, and we definitely like to have a variety of things that they can do.
We've got the beautiful coffee shop, we've got the game room, we've got, you gotta see the kids' room up there. They got a room just for kids. It's just beautiful. I mean, Darley Village has it all.
Darley Village is located in a rural area, but very close to a lot of restaurants and very close to the expressway for travelers coming through. Very close to Lake Michigan.
They might be connected, but these are houses. It's a house. All the rooms are beautiful. All the amenities inside are beautiful. And that's just the house. Then we got the amenities up in the main building, which will blow anybody away.
Darley Village is a 55 and up senior living community that is available for anybody that wants to have a nice, quiet, maintenance-free living, stress-free living that is located here in one of the most beautiful parts of West Michigan.